And here we go. We're on a fun little video here. This one is going to be all about how to take a 2D sketch and make it into 3D, as well as how to find the volume on one. So I chose probably the hardest one in the packet to show you. Hopefully this helps you out in doing this. Please turn in the drawings with the packets, just so if there's any problems or issues, I can maybe help you out later on. So here we go. This is metric. So File, New. Okay, so when you open yours up, yours may look like this, where you're just used to just seeing this. Okay, press the down arrow, press metric, and you're going to go standard mm.ipt. Okay, and here we go. Start 2D sketch, and here we go. So the first thing I would do on this one, make sure you're lined up with the axis in the middle. Look, otherwise this gets really, really difficult. So I'm going to dump a circle somewhere straight above here, and that circle should be 20. Now, if you're looking at your drawing packet, I wish I could show it to you. If you see a radius, times it by 2 if you're drawing a circle. Because a radius has to be, anything less than 360 degrees has to be dimensioned with a radius. I'm following the rules, I don't make them, I'm just following them. So your next one will be 40. Alright? And then dimension from the bottom of the origin to this. And there's a big old circle around there that says 160. Well, that's a diameter. I'm going to go 80 because that's the radius. So I'm just doing 1. Press Finish Sketch. Okay. Next, you'll extrude this a simple 6. And there we go. All right, you made a little Cheerio there. Awesome. Okay, next we need to do a polar array or a pattern. Sorry, array is what they use in AutoCAD. Pattern is what they use in Inventor. I get them mixed up sometimes. So click it, choose rotation axis. Now I like to go over to the origin, and you're going to hit the Z, which you look in the middle of your screen. You'll see the axis is here. That's why you start it from the middle. And there's 12 of these. Press enter. You have a lot of Cheerios. It's like a little chain link. Okay. I'm going to shift scroll to the back of it just so my extrusion is a little bit easier. Click on one of these surfaces, doesn't matter which one, and choose Create Sketch. Okay. Next, I need you to project geometry. Now, I'm going to choose 2 of these that are next to each other. So click on the middle of it. As long as you get the outside, that's all that matters. Okay. So next, I'm going to take a circle and dump it up here somewhere, and that circle should be 60. While I'm at it, I'm also going to dump one in here. Make sure you don't tie it to any nodes or any little dots. 60 as well. Okay, so do that real quick. Awesome. Now we're going to use a constraint. So we're going to go tangent constraint. Click here, click here, click here, click here. Click this circle, that circle, this circle, that circle. Trim. I might do another one in this video, just to help you out a little bit more on another difficult one. I'll have time. Hit your finish sketch. And extrude the middle one right here. Now it's going the wrong direction, which is fine. I'm going to flippy, and there it goes. I may ask, well, if I got one of these old chain link things done, how do I get the rest? Well, you need the same method you did last time, which is a pattern. Okay, I'm going to click this one in the middle. If you have a hard time clicking it, you can just click on Extrusion 2. Either one works, you'll see a little dotted line start to form, which means you have chosen it. Choose your axis, choose Z, change 6 to 12, press OK. Hey, look at that. You did a thing. Okay, one more time, create new sketch. So now we're going to make this middle part right here. So you see the depths are different. That's why I didn't do this all in one, just to make life easier for you. It's all about how I can make your life easier. Okay, circle, middle. Let's go out here, and this is 50. Okay. I'm going to dump a circle here, and that circle should be 20. And dump one here. This one should be 20. Now I just need to dimension from center point to center point, and that should be 40. Center point to center point, 40. Draw lines on the top and bottom to connect them all. Now here's where I love using trim. Watch this. Click, left click and hold, and whatever I touch, it gets rid of. I love that option. Okay. One last thing I need you to do before we are out of this. I want you to project geometry. I want you to project this entire thing. Okay? The reason why is I need to select this inside area, and this is the easiest way to actually do that. So, finish sketch. Oops, not revolve. Extrude. Click. I need to make sure I'm going the right direction. I am not. I need to flippy and change this to 4. Press OK, and now we're done. Okay, you're not done yet. I need to show you how to get the properties or get the volume for this. So go File, go iProperties, choose Physical, choose Update. This is your correct answer. If you didn't get this, you made a mistake someplace. You need to figure out where. But this is your answer. Okay? Job well done on the first one. I'm going to do another one. Why not? I will... Ooh, I'll do that one. I'll do the star ratchet. On the very last page is one called the star ratchet. Let's do that one. I don't have a preview for it. You'll just have to follow me on doing this. So, do me a favor. You're going to save this on your hard drive as you would anything else. So I'm going to go Woif Lace Gasket. That way we all know like what it is. So when you're working in Inventor, it works in parts. So you just can't do another drawing with this drawing. You have to open up a brand new file. So let's do that real quick. So go File, New, Standard mm.ipt. Start new sketch. Click here. Okay. This one is the one with the ellipses and the gear in the middle. So I'm choosing hard ones. So rectangle, and we're going to have to, circle, because we're going to do an ellipse. So here's how we're going to do this. Click the middle, move it out, dump, and dump. Hit dimension. Click it. Now as you see here, as you move it around, it goes both ways. So I'm going to go up this way, and I am going to go 70. And then I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to go 30. Okay? Now I'm going to do that one more time. One more ellipse. Hit this, go straight up, go out. Same measurements. 30, 70. Got that? Good. Let's do some trimming here. Get rid of these things. There we go. Got a nice little, looks like a couple footballs or something here. All right. Let's do the outside circles next. So these I am just going to dump right from the middle right here. Actually, I'll do an array on this. That'll be more fun. So these are 24 each. Okay. Now let's dimension these right from the center. And they are 50 over. There we go. And I have them at the same spot all around this. I redid this one from a previous one because I hated it. So I'm going to do a circular pattern in 2D. Usually I don't do these, but this time I know it's safe. So you click your geometry first, choose your axis, click the middle. Change 6 to 4, press OK. So the next step I'm going to do is draw that little gear on the inside. So we're going to start off by just making your basic circle, and we're going to make that 40. So go ahead and do that, please. Okay, next step, I'm going to zoom into the peak of it here. I'm going to click the top, go straight up, and you're going to go up 5. And go to the right. I apologize, that is not 5. That should be 2.5, or the wrong measurement. Then I'm going to go to the right 2.5, or actually what's even better is doing an offset. Go this way, 2.5, go this way, 2.5. Much easier to just do the offset. You really use that. Draw a line on top like this. Okay? You can erase this middle line here because we're done with that. Then I would just do an extend to the bottom. You have to do this part, otherwise you can't trim it. Okay, now if I want to, I can trim that real quick. So one final array and then extrusion, and you're done. And with some trimming. So next we're going to do a circular pattern. I'm going to click these here, choose geometry, click the middle. And there is 18 of these. I put it on your sheet, make your life easier. And there we go. Trimming. I'm just going to hold down my left mouse button here when I press trim. Quick way of doing this so you don't have to click on every single one. That gets really annoying. Tedious. There we go. Finish sketch. Extrude. And there it is. And the extrusion is 6. Okay, let's figure out what the answer is. My properties, physical, update. The answer for this one is right here on the screen, my friend. 38, I'm writing this down actually because I had the master on this one. 38986.231. Okay, you got 2 of them. There you go. Please go ahead and save this. So do your little save as there. Please save it as last name. So your last name, not mine. Star Ratchet. And there we go. Hopefully this is a good help on getting this thing started. You have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.